Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make a really cute popcorn. But before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, use thumbs up. Okay, make sure you share the video. So we're gonna make a cute popcorn right now. We're gonna make a straight line from this point till this point. Like this. And just in front of it, we're gonna make another line. And then now we're gonna make another line over here. Okay. And then over here we're gonna make a zigzag line. Okay. And then now we're going to make some funny clouds that will be popcorns. So I'm gonna fill this gap with it. See you in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back. So I finished drawing my puffy clouds over here. Now it's time to draw the eye. So we're gonna make a circle. And just in front of it, another circle. And then put a knot here. And a knot here. Then we're gonna make this line over here. So we're gonna make the same thing just over here. Okay, we're gonna make two lines. Then we're gonna color this and shade it in there. But just do not shade the two circles over here and this line. Okay, show you in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back. Now we're gonna make the mouth. So we're gonna make a straight line and a half of a circle going down here. And then gonna make a tongue in there. Okay, so I finished doing the face and everything, but we're going to make some straight lines over here. Make sure you don't go through these. Just stop over here and then continue. So we're gonna make some straight lines and show you in a sec. Okay guys, as you can see, I finished doing the lines. So right now we're gonna make some clouds over here, like the popcorns. And then we're gonna make another one. Okay, so it looks like it's falling. Now it's time for coloring it in. Okay guys, so we're gonna use these colors. We're gonna use 5 colors. We're gonna use in blue color, yellow, pink, red, and lastly white. Okay, so in yellow color we're gonna color these puffy clouds over here. In red color we're gonna color one line over here red and the other is white. And then pink for the tongue and blue for the eye. The bottom one. Okay, so I'm gonna color some and then I'm gonna show you at the end. Okay guys, so I finished doing the red color. Then I used white color over here. And then now we're gonna use another red color just over here. Okay, so we're just gonna continue like this. Then I'm gonna show you an example how to do these, like puffy clouds, but we're gonna finish these first and then I'm gonna show you in a sec. Okay guys, so I finished doing the red color. Now we're gonna use yellow color for coloring in the puffy clouds over here, which is the popcorn. Okay, so we're gonna color it in. And see you in a sec. Okay guys, so I'm almost there. I'm coloring this one. Then I'm almost there. Okay, so the next color we're using will be the light blue color for the eye. Okay. Then now we're gonna use a pink color to color in the tongue. Okay, just perfect. There's only something is missing, which is the markers. Gonna color it, like trace it out with a marker. Okay, so I'm gonna use a black marker to trace it out. Okay, so after I trace it out, I'm gonna show you in a sec. I'm actually using a ruler for doing it. Okay, I was using a ruler over here for doing it. You can actually use a lollipop stick if you have one, or a normal ruler. Okay, so I'm almost done with these. I only have some more to do. Just like this. Okay, so I'm done with this, but I'm not done with my two baby corns over here. Okay, so as you see, we're almost there. I'm gonna make the knots first. Just perfectly good. Make a circle over here. Just like that. Then make this over here. Okay, guys, over there. I really wanted to do a JoJo bowl, so I'm gonna try doing it. It's super cute. Okay, I'm done for tracing up. Okay guys, so we finished our drawing today, so I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.